Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make Cash App account under 18. All right, so let's begin with the video. So for that, you need to open up your Cash App, and after that, you need to hit up to your profile. Then scroll down a little bit. Then you will be able to find this option of family. Just click on it. And here you will find this option of I am a teen. Basically, you will be able to get a sponsored account, and for that, you will be needing approval of your parents or any of the trusted adult who is over 18. So you need to keep this in mind, and you will be able to spend any money of your choice wherever you want, but your activities will be seen by the person who has sponsored your account. So just click on the I am teen button over here and verify your identity, that whether you are an actual person or not. So just verify yourself, and after that, you will be able to go to the cash cards and click on this option of Get Free Cash Card. After that, select any of the style that you want. Just select it and order the card as per your requirements. And this is how you will be able to use Cash App even after being under 18. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.